Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use the speed limit assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's swipe a few times to the left until you see the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose the assistance. So the first tap and tap assistance again. Here, let's choose the first one, which is speed limit assist. So this feature uses a camera to detect the speed limit signs and displays them on your instrument cluster. It can provide alerts if you exceed the limit to help you avoid a ticket. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature here by using the following toggle. You can also tap here to enable or disable the information about speed limit. Or you can also press the mute button on your steering wheel for extended duration, so you can activate and deactivate the acoustic speed limit at any time. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.